Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where fun meets function. Today, we're diving into what I'm calling the best Donkey Kong Jenga game purple, but officially, it's known as Double Donkey, the hilarious card and dice game that's quickly becoming a family favorite. Let's talk about this game. Double Donkey is designed for 2 to 6 players and is perfect for anyone aged 8 and up. It's fast-paced, easy to learn, and just the right amount of chaotic to bring energy to game night. Inside the box, you'll find cards, dice, and a whole lot of personality. The rules are straightforward. You roll the dice, match them to your cards, and try to avoid scoring too many points. Because the player with the highest score at the end of the game gets labeled the biggest donkey. And trust me, nobody wants that title. Here's how a round goes. On your turn, you roll a set of dice. Then you choose how to assign those rolls to the cards in your hand. Each card comes with its own point value and strategy. Do you go low and safe, or risk it all for a clever combo? The choices keep the game dynamic, and the tension builds every time someone edges closer to becoming the dreaded donkey. The balance between luck and skill. Sure, you're rolling dice, but there's plenty of opportunity to outwit your opponents with smart choices. That makes it a great pick for both kids and adults, simple enough to start playing right away, but layered enough to stay interesting. There's a surprising amount of drama in such a compact game. The moments when someone just barely avoids the donkey title, or when a last-minute roll turns the tables. Those are the stories you'll be talking about long after the game is over. And let's talk about the vibe. The artwork is bold and playful, the packaging is sturdy, and the purple accents give it that quirky charm. It looks great on the shelf and even better on the table. If you're looking for a game that's easy to pick up, gets people talking, and delivers a ton of laughs in under 30 minutes, Double Donkey is your next must-have. Whether it's a rainy day with the kids or a lighthearted battle between friends, this game brings the fun fast. So go ahead. Roll the dice, match your cards, and whatever you do, don't be the biggest donkey. Thanks for watching Product Critique. We'll see you next time with more games, gadgets, and gear that bring the good times to your table.